Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can see your screenshots in Hubstaff. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our sites to the left panel, and from the options right here, including timesheets, activity, insights, locations, project management, calendar, reports, people, financials, silent app, and even settings, we're going to click on activity. And then from the list of new options below, we're going to click on screenshot. If you scroll down from here, you would see a list of all the screenshots that you've taken from every 10 minutes. Now, if you want to see all the screenshots, on the top panel, simply click on all screenshots right here, and you should see it right here. However, as you can see, there are no screenshots available. It is because for you to record screenshots, you have to use the desktop app. But for this video, this is where we're going to see the screenshots. And to even filter it, we can choose the date on where we want to see the screenshots from. So we can set a date like from September 16 until September 17. It would be up to you. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!